Good morning and welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Dawn, and this is our 1980 MG Midget.
And we are at Bardwell, Cars on the Green. Well, that was a quick, short shower.
Oops.
We managed to get the cover up.
Just about got the cover up in time.
Everybody wiping down their cars after the quick, short shower.
Just like to welcome you down.
So we're just having a look around really to see what our favourite cars are here today. Because there's such a selection to look at.
We want to see how much it takes. Here we go.
Nice little MG BGT, the Mini, 2 Beetles.
Look at that, I can't believe it.
There's someone saying it.
I used to have one of these. Mine was red though.
You can't believe it, can you?
No.
Where the car you have is here. So a round wheel arch MG Midget, 1972.
They're lovely.
Other things to see here at Bardwell are all the stalls, including this rather fancy coffee.
She's so fine, fine, fine. She's so fine, fine. She's so fine, she's so fine, fine, fine. She's a real.
Just want to apologise to the owner of this car. We did have a chat with him before realising we hadn't pressed the record button. It's a minor million. So it was produced by Morris in 1960 to celebrate 1 million units sold. 350 of these were produced, all lilac with white leather interior. If you know of another one like this, drop us a comment down below. So I think this has got to be my favourite.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's only a replica one though, by the look of it.
Mexico.
Yeah, it's a replica, so I don't know what actually makes it a replica. Because obviously it's a Mark 1 Corvette, Mark 1 Escort. Yeah, it's pretty good though, isn't
it? This one's my favourite.
You like this one?
I like this one, yeah. Oh, look at the dash.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
This has got to be the most unusual one here.
Saab.
The Saab. Sonett 3. Very unusual. Very smart, aren't they?
Very smart.
Everyone's dream, aren't they? E-Type Jaguar. Well, that was Bardwell Cars on the Green.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now.